At Maplecrest, we're building sophisticated main-level homes for your best years yet. Hi, I'm Jessica. Regardless of whether you're looking to downsize or upgrade your living space, there's something waiting for everyone at Maplecrest. With ranch floor plans that feature a first-floor owner's suite, up to 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and a 2-car garage, we're proud to offer the best of main-level living at our newest Ryan Homes community. Maplecrest, it's time to say goodbye to climbing stairs and hello to a new beginning. You will love your brand new kitchen with granite countertops and stainless steel appliances included. With flexible living spaces come the option for an in-home office or recreation room. Designed for an easier lifestyle, each home includes walk-in showers with seats, lever-handled doorknobs, wider doors and hallways, lowered light switches, and comfort-level toilets and vanities, and the laundry room is steps from your owner's suite. Plus, at Maplecrest, your yard work will be taken care of for you, giving you more time to do the things you love most. Community sidewalks, walking trails, and a dog park are also amenities included at Maplecrest. The Miracle Mile Shopping Center and Monroeville Mall are both within a 3-mile drive. You'll also love the easy access to Interstate 376, Route 22, and the Turnpike. So if you're ready to retire in style or simply want to invest in a low-maintenance lifestyle, we hope you'll join us at Maplecrest, now selling in Monroeville. We can't wait to meet you.